Hey guys, another video for our modern Japanese architecture playlist. Check this out. This place is actually out sort of in the middle of nowhere on the outskirts of a pretty small town. It's a new building they've just put up. These guys manufacture parts for machines, so some car parts and parts for other machines. But they've just built this new place. So new office building there, and then on the other side is actually the factory itself. But check it out, isn't it? Sort of futuristic looking and cool, and it's even better because of where it is. It is in an isolated spot. So the first time we noticed it, we were driving out through the rice fields. Here was this. I thought, whoa, what's that over there? Looked like a pachinko parlor or a casino or something, but it's just a factory. So that's the office building there, and that other building over there was the factory. It's cool, isn't it? High tech. Anyway, there's that. More videos coming soon.